Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can block someone on your Facebook Messenger. So what you need to do is simply click on this messenger icon at the top right corner in your Facebook homepage. Then once you've clicked here, it will lead you to the chats of your messenger application. Then select that particular contact that you want to block. So for example, I want to block this contact right here. So simply go to that contact and then what you need to do is simply click over their name. Once you've clicked over their name, a variety of operations or options will appear. You need to click on this block option right here. Simply tap on the block button and it will give you a final warning which will list that this operation will block the particular person. So in order to proceed, simply click on this block button right here. And here you can see that the person has been blocked and then you will no longer be able to receive message from them. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.